Okay, and we're back. I just made a video this morning, you guys, for Bear's GoPro, or Bear's GoPro, I'm sorry, that's the old channel. I just made a video this morning for Bear's Garden Adventure, the unboxing video, and it became boxing video 1 because I had my Baker Creek rare seeds in. But after I made that video and posted and uploaded that video, guess what, you guys? I checked the mail at noon. It's 3:13 now, and I had to do some running around with the wifey. And we got those things done. But on the way out to get those things done, we stopped at the mailbox. And guess what was at the mailbox? Baker Creek seeds, you guys. Baker Creek heirloom seeds. They rocked out. I got these seeds a day late, so that is not bad at all. And these seeds are from Baker Creek heirloom seeds too. I bought these seeds about, I don't know, maybe a month or so ago. I don't really remember, could be longer. But here's a catalog if you guys aren't familiar with Baker Creek. And this is a free catalog. You guys can go to Baker Creek Seeds. Rareseeds.com, or go to Baker Creek Seeds and get a free catalog. That's what I did. But yeah, let's do the unboxing on these seeds. I'm so excited about that. I know I'm talking a lot about Baker Creek, but I'm excited about them because I love their seeds. I bought Baker Creek seeds about 4 years ago on my sister's farm, and when I finally did get to plant them in her big greenhouse, I'm not lying, every single seed I planted out of the package that was like this, every single seed sprouted. I didn't get one single seed that did not sprout. And I have lots of trust in Baker Creek seeds, and this is my 3rd time now buying from them. And I just want to say and give a shout out to them because that's epic. They have really great seeds. That key out the way. So for starters, when you order from these guys, I guess depending on how many seeds you order, I don't know, you get a pack of free seeds. And I ordered about 6-7 packs. Let's see, I ordered 6 packs. 6 packs of melons, and I got 1 pack for free. And I have never seen this type of tomato before. It's a free gift. Baker Creek seeds rock, you guys. They're awesome. So we have this melon Bidwell Casaba. It is a really big melon, and I'm going to grow this out here this year. These I grew on my sister's yard, on my sister's farm, and there was a great frost that year, a great freeze that year, and everybody around the area lost everything. I lost a lot of money in seeds that year. But this was one of the ones I planted all the seeds. They all sprouted, and I lost them all in that same year due to a major frost that came about 2 or 3 years ago. About 3 years ago, I believe now. Another melon seed. I love melons, you guys. Another melon seed. This melon seed, this melon is totally, completely edible, like an apple. You can eat the whole entire thing. More on that when I get to planting them. I'm just showing you guys what I got. I believe this one or the other white one, one or two, it has the taste of a yogurt, a Greek yogurt. That's going to be interesting. One of my favorites, I grew all of these on my sister's farm too, and they all sprouted as well. And during that frost, as I said before, they all died. So I bought these again. I can't wait to grow these little watermelons. And I already showed you guys that one. So there's those seeds that I bought just a couple weeks ago, a few weeks ago, a month ago, just to get my address and all that stuff, you know, in their system over there, or over here where I'm at now. And then now I am finally happy to share all these seeds I just got from Baker Creek. Yes. Yes. Look at this. What's that, Kyoto Red? Carrot. It's supposed to have notes of watermelon. Oh, it's so cool. There's so many. So just going to go through them real quick and to let you guys see what I got and ideas of what I'm going to do with them. This is a pea, and this is grown for the purple flower there, and the purple flower makes this drink right here. You mix this drink with lemonade, and you can watch the lemonade turn pink. That's really neat. We got here arugula wasabi. It's not wasabi, it's arugula, but it's really spicy like wasabi, and I want to try that too. That's the battery. Get that battery out the way. Here we got some spinach. That Bloomsdale long-standing spinach, and I have shadowy places to grow these. I've learned that much. Broccoli, Rosmus, look at here, asparagus, and I got two kinds of asparagus. Let's see here, greens. I can't even read this, so I'm not going to try, but I liked reading about it, and these are very good for you. Here, onion, red of Florence. Here's another asparagus, and I know asparagus aren't going to fruit this year. If I'm not mistaken, they'll fruit the next year. So I'm gonna have to have a spot for asparagus, and I think I'm gonna have it over here by the fence. There's another asparagus. Oh, my back's hurting me. Winter choy, Chinese yellow heart. You can grow it right now. I mean, tomorrow. I'm gonna start planting these tomorrow. Look at this. Cauliflower. Romanesco Italia, I believe. Always been wanting to try these for years. These I got to grow up on my sister's farm too. They all sprouted, and they all died when they got that frost. Everything died, I'm telling you guys. That frost even killed these, and this is something that should have lived through it. But yeah, that was a terrible frost that year. I don't think I'll ever forget that. We'll dig through here and see what else we got here. Here goes some more carrots. Uh-oh. Here's some more carrots. This is a Danvers 126 half long. This is something new that'll grow quick that we can eat. You know. Here's another cauliflower, green margarita. Is that what that is? That's a beautiful cauliflower. Again, you grow these right now, and I still have enough seeds to grow again in the fall. Here's another cauliflower, the Jessie, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's a good thing we have a camera. That is a beautiful broccoli. Oh, look at this here. We got squash, zucchini, long white of Palmero. Can't wait to grow that. Oh, you hear another cauliflower. There's a purple of Sicily. Yes. And you know what I've learned about cauliflower? You can put these on the grill. Here's another cauliflower. Durgesh 41. Durgesh 41. I'm chopping a lot of these up, I'm sure. I've already showed you guys that one. There's a pepper seed. Thank you for your order. Oh, I got free pepper seeds because I didn't order any pepper seeds this time around. So there's a free pepper seed, and it is a banana pepper that I got free from Baker Creek. That's really cool. Oh, look, here's another one. A free seed, basil, cinnamon. Thank you for your order. I think I might have actually ordered some of this, so I might have 2 packs of this. Here's another one. Oh, a zinnia. Persian carpet zinnias. Wow. I gotta find out whether or not you can eat or drink these, because all the flowers and herbs that I bought for the yard you can eat and drink, but these I got for free. That's really nice. I like that. So that's three free seed packs. Whoa. Let's see, here's a nice one, cucumber dragon's egg. That's what I got the cucumber lattice for earlier, or trellis. This is why I bought the cucumber trellis from the video earlier. Try to keep all the ones back that I've already shared. Okay, so here's another. So far I'm showing you guys all food, a few herbs. Here's a squash, a lemon squash. Can't wait to grow that. I'm gonna grow that back on the side back here. Got a squash food, just great back there. See what we got here. Onion. Zebroon shallot. Zebroon shallot. I'm probably chopping up that name too. Let's see here. This I got for Tracy. Tracy has gotten me into radishes. So I got her an Easter basket mix because Tracy loves radishes, and now I do too. These things are yummy, spicy, right out of the garden. You can just eat them. They're good. It's amazing. So yeah, that's gonna plant a lot of these next year, or this year. Let's see, any more food? I mean, everything here is edible. As I say, any more food, all of it's edible and drinkable. See here, we got a onion, ishikura. I can't even read that. There was something about it I liked upon reading it in the magazines, why I picked it. So that's a really nice onion. I can't wait. It's a long onion. It might be the bunching onions that I was looking to buy. Bok choy. Suzhu. I should stop doing this. Suzhu, baby. I can't get that, but bok choy. Bok choy is really good. Let's see here. I've already showed you guys those free seeds. Okay. Oh wait, here's another spinach. Manopa spinach. And again, I'll get more into this stuff as they're being planted. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to get into the herbs. All these flowers and herbs I'm going to show you are edible and drinkable in teas. So this is a coneflower green. Okay, GoPro is trying to act up. It looks like GoPro is working again. Alright, so back to where I was. Okay, so now we're looking at herbs and flowers. So all these herbs and flowers, as I said a minute ago before it stopped, all these you can eat and drink. So we have a coneflower green twister. Can make into a tea. Here's a basil, lemon basil. Let's see here, bee balm. I'm not even going to try to read that. This is a bee balm. This is also edible, drinkable. You can make it into teas. Let's see here. Here's that cinnamon basil. Yeah, see, I got a cinnamon basil for free, and I knew I bought a cinnamon basil, but that's okay because I can give these away. Yeah, cinnamon basil. And actually, I've learned that you can put thyme and basil and all that kind of stuff into teas and stuff as well. We have a hyssop, Korean Golden Jubilee hyssop. Again, you can put these flowers and things into teas. Another hyssop, anise. Again, you can flavor your teas with the anise. And here's one of my favorites that you can also make teas out of. It's agastache. I can't get that, so you guys are just going to have to see. It's a fragrant delight mix, but it's a beautiful long cone flower for hummingbirds. And another thing you'll learn or notice about these too is these are all pollinator friendly. Here's this spinach. I did order this, the red Malabar. The red Malabar spinach is I think it's not actually a spinach. Tender perennial grown as annual tropical vine, requires support. Okay, blah blah blah. It's a heat-loving Asian vine, lovely red stems, and delicious succulent leaves used like spinach. And that's why I bought these, because they're a vine and they love the heat. So I can try these out when the spinach can't grow anymore because it's too hot. Here's the, oh yeah, safflower. It's close to saffron flower, I believe. It's not saffron, it's a safflower, but you would use it just as you use the saffron flower, and it has the same flavor and uses as the saffron flower. So the safflower I'm going to try to grow in place of the saffron, and it is also a pollinator. And then I showed you guys this one already. This is the one that you can make wonderful drinks with. See, borage blue. This is another one where you can use the flowers and the leaves for teas. And finally, last but not least, another basil. This is Iveti nitor. Yeah, I chopped that one up. But it's another basil that is obviously a herb, edible and drinkable and all that wonderful stuff. So yeah, that's about it. That's my choice right now from Baker Creek and all the wonderful free seeds that I got from them. This is a pack of free seeds that I didn't realize was a pack of free seeds, so I didn't buy a second pack of carrots. I have a second pack of carrots for free. So that's what that's all about. And those are my 4 free packs that I got from them because I bought these seeds. So that's wonderful, Baker Creek, thank you. And I can't wait to get growing. I got to build all the stuff that I showed you guys today on an earlier video. Get everything built up, get all the seeds ready to go. Got to go over to the compost pile over here and make some seed starter with the compost pile. I'll show you guys how I do that when I do that. So all right, yeah, we're going to end this video for now and see if we can get it edited and uploaded. All right, peace out, happy growing, and remember to eat what you grow. Drink what you grow. Yes, it's nice. Drink teas. Later, guys.